Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use smart grid Wi-Fi on your LG refrigerator. This innovative feature enables your appliance to communicate directly with your home's energy grid. By doing so, it intelligently optimizes its power consumption, especially during periods of high energy demand. This smart communication helps to lower your electricity bills and promotes greater energy efficiency in your home. The LG ThinQ application is your central hub for controlling and monitoring this advanced feature, making smart energy management simple and accessible. To begin, download the LG ThinQ application onto your smartphone. Once installed, either create a new LG account or simply log in if you are a returning user. Next, locate the Wi-Fi button on your refrigerator's control panel and press, and hold it for approximately 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator light blinks. Then, within the ThinQ app, select your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the list, and input your network password to establish the connection. Once your LG refrigerator is successfully connected to your home Wi-Fi network, the smart grid function will typically activate automatically. You can also manually toggle the smart grid feature on or off by pressing its dedicated button on the refrigerator's control panel. Alternatively, the LG ThinQ app offers convenient remote control, allowing you to enable or disable smart grid from anywhere. When active, your refrigerator intelligently adjusts its energy-intensive tasks in response to signals from your electric company. By utilizing smart grid Wi-Fi, your LG refrigerator actively contributes to reducing your household's total energy consumption. It intelligently schedules energy-intensive operations, like defrost cycles or ice making, during off-peak hours when electricity rates are lower. This smart management can result in significant savings on your monthly utility bills. Furthermore, the LG ThinQ app allows you to monitor your refrigerator's energy usage and adjust its settings remotely, giving you complete control over your appliance's efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.